What would you do if a vicious enemy suddenly started coming at you, armed to the teeth, and ready to kill you? What would you do? What would you do? What would you do? What would you do?
Well, the first thing I'd do is I'd show him my hands. Show him my hands.
And I'll kill anyone who dares to go against me.
What would you do? What would you do? What would you do? What would you do?
Then I would
fire off many of rounds. I had the whole New York State aiming at your face. I better go over my man's crib and get the pump.
That didn't work. I think I would smile and laugh and laugh. I think I would laugh a lot. Laugh a lot.
What would you do? What would you do? What would you do? What would you do? What would you do if a vicious enemy suddenly started coming at you, armed to the teeth, and ready to kill you?